welcome back to the channel. Now today, as you can see, the car is still dead, but I've got Chris coming today to hopefully find the problem. He's bringing a few spares. He's got a new CIM or SIM with him as well. So for you guys who said about that, he's bringing one of them as well. So thank you to everyone who commented on my last video, giving all the advice. It's really appreciated, guys. So fingers crossed, one of you is going to be right today, or most of you are going to be right. I hope it is something stupid like an earth or just something that's not going to be an absolute nightmare, but we shall see. So just waiting on Chris now for him to come, and then we'll make a start. I don't know how much I'm going to film because I'm not too sure how comfortable he's going to be with me filming him, but I'll try and film and keep you updated as we go along. Right then, as you can see, the main man Chris is here, having a look at my car for me. We just plugged it in. It's not the SIM's present. It's, for some reason the ECU just isn't getting power, so it's basically a process of elimination as to trying to find out why it's not getting power. But all the SIM's okay, so everyone who said SIM, it's not that. Everything else is reading fine, it's present, it's not, you know, it's on the code reader, it's saying basically it's there. So for whatever reason, the ECU just isn't getting power, so hopefully we can get to the bottom of it. Well, an update, what we've done, we've checked the fuse box for any moisture. I'd already checked it previously, but we'll triple check because obviously he knows more than I do. It seemed dry, okay. What we tried doing, we swapped the fuse boxes round for a spare that he had, and again, that didn't work either. All my fuse box was fine anyway, there was no moisture or anything on it, so next is sort of checking the pins on the ECU to find out there's no power going to it. Well guys, it looks like it's this actual loom itself. I don't know if you can really see on there, there's 4 pins that's supposed to get in power from the fuse box to the ECU plug. Only one's getting power, so that tells us that there is a break in the wire on the loom somewhere, which could be absolutely anywhere. So unfortunately it might be new wiring loom. Right then, as you can see, we've took this side of the loom out, we've tested all of this. It's all got continuity on this side, so it's got to be somewhere it's got to be a break in the main engine loom, I assume. But yeah, it's not looking good, guys, really. Right then, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Until I get a new complete wiring loom, obviously the little one that I just showed you is okay, it's got continuity in it, so that leads us to believe it's the other half of the loom that goes everywhere. So until I get one of them on order, there's nothing we can really do much more to do today. Massive thanks to Chris, absolute legend, for coming down and having a look for me. At least I know what it is now, it's the loom, so it's a bit gutted, but it is what it is, isn't it? So hopefully next time I do a video, once I get the loom, get all that in, hopefully that's it and the car will start, but we'll see. Still a bit disheartened, but it's what it is, and it's that Z20 life, ain't it, guys? But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, I always appreciate it. Drop a comment if you want to, and I'll see you on the next one.